Hello, my name is Dennis Dotson with elighters.com. I'm here today to talk about Zippo lighters, specifically changing the Flint. You will need Flint, lighter fluid, and your purge flame adjusting tool. Take your lighter, pull the inside out. Underneath, you will see a little fiber and a screw. Take your Zippo purge tool. It also has a flame adjuster on it, basically just the tip of a screwdriver. Back the screw out counterclockwise until it pops. It's spring loaded, so be careful. Don't let it shoot across the room. Pull this out. It's basically a plunger, and out pops the old Flint. Take your new Flint. It's just a little roller wheel. Turn it upside down until the Flint drops in that square. Roll it out. Drop it in your hand. Look at your Flint. You will see one side that's kind of rough, another side that has a concave look, smooth finish. That is the side that you want down inside the lighter. That's your striking side. That goes into the cylinder first. Reinsert your plunger with your spring. Tighten it back up clockwise. Once that's done, put the lighter back in its case. If it doesn't close, it's this spring-loaded piece back here. Lower it down. Close it. Now light it. You see spark. You have fresh spark. Now that we've tackled that obstacle, it's time to put lighter fluid in your lighter. Take your can of lighter fluid. It comes in two sizes, 4 ounce and 12 ounce. Pop your nozzle up. Take your Zippo lighter. Remove it from its case. Pull this layer of fiber back that says lift to fill. Lift that up. Add your lighter fluid. Good rule of thumb is to just count 3 to 5 seconds. Everyone's always curious how much to add. Drop it back in its case. If that spring-loaded piece is up, it won't close. Make sure you pop that down. Close your lighter fluid. Sure don't want that open with an open flame. Thank you for joining us today. Hope this information was helpful. Have a great day.